Hey man, what's up YouTube, bro? I'm ready. Hey, I'm ready to do something fun today. I'm ready to do something I ain't never do before. I'm ready to go to a shooting range. I ain't never been to a shooting range a day in my life. I ain't even never shoot no gun a day in my life. So, hey, this shit ready to be fun as a bitch. I'm ready to go on my boy Trail and shit. This ready to be both our first time going to a shooting range and shit. And shit, we ready to have fun and shit, bro. I'm telling you. But he just pulled up. He downstairs, so I'm ready to go get him real quick, and then shit, I'm gonna show him on camera real quick. So I'll be back. There you go.
So you making like a vlog?
Hell yeah. We up in this bitch. You got my nigga Trail right there. We up in this bitch.
Yeah.
Hey, he was at the pool and he's looking at some white Johns over there. They probably hell, I ain't showing my background. They probably like, this nigga a pervert. They looking at this nigga like a pervert. He's like this, y'all. He's like this. Looking at your bitches.
They probably think I'm a pervert.
They probably think you're a pervert.
No,
Damn.
No, if I said something.
Nah, you probably got, cause you got shoes on. Cause I would say you got dead as tall as a bitch.
I'm 6 foot though.
Not that you guys, I don't know, bro.
I'm 6 foot, bro.
No, you dead might be 6 foot though.
And I got bigger, bro.
Nah, you did get tall as a bitch, bro. What the fuck? Then my nigga got tall. Nah, but shit, we ready to hit the gun range though. Shit, I'm gonna come back to y'all. Hey y'all, hold on. Hey y'all, look, this McMill, them last McMill braids. Them last McMill. Hey, Shawty said he look like a snapping turtle.
Man, you gotta turn up. I'm trying to get the range, man. Let's get it.
Now you ready to get right though.
Get it.
This nigga ready to have us go to the bando, bro. We ready to get robbed. This nigga ready to have us get robbed, bro. We ain't going to no gun range. Bro, I'm confused though, cause it's a gate, bro.
Yeah, it is a gate.
This don't sell a mechanic store though. Oh, it's in rear. So how the fuck we get to the back of it? Hey, this nigga ready to have us go to the... What the fuck? Hey, bro, I'm confused like a bitch right now. I don't know. This nigga ready to have us go.
Bro, you should have talked about that. We was gonna go and walk in the rear.
Oh, you think that's what they saying?
I don't know, but that's what I would have done. I mean, I don't know, cause I mean, it's... Shit.
Damn.
That shit say the Dominion zone right there, though.
Bro, I think... I'm ready to try this shit.
Dominion shooting range in the rear.
Oh, you know what?
I don't know what is that little building right here.
Oh, you know what? We could probably park right here. Oh, yeah, I probably do connect. Hey, this nigga Scooby wildin'. Scooby ready to have us get robbed. Damn, Scooby got us out of the clue, y'all. Oh, it's over here. Oh, it's right here,
Oh, yeah. I know it.
Oh, shit. I see why they were saying in rear. Hey, we ready. Man, nigga, we ready to get crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, y'all. Hey, we ready to get stupid. Oh, yeah. Hey, we ready to get stupid in this bitch. Hey, I'm ready.
I'm scared of it.
I'm ready to train this nigga. I'm ready to train this nigga to become a great shooter, cause he ready to be my shooter. He ready to be my crash dummy, bro. He ready to be my crash dummy. He ready to crash out, y'all. So if I ever have problems with somebody, he dead is ready to crash out and throw his life away, bro. He don't give a fuck about nothing, bro. He don't give a fuck about no future, bro.
Oh God.
He don't give a fuck about shit. That nigga don't give a fuck about nothing, bro. Y'all think he give a fuck? Hey, we ready to have fun, bro. What the fuck? This building look kind of crazy. It been love.
Jonah Woods back there.
Exactly. They got the
Woods
bullets.
a bitch. I don't know how
Is this shit inside or outside,
Right,
bro?
what the fuck?
Nah, bro.
Yeah,
Is this shit inside or outside, bro?
Niggas finna get robbed. every gun we got took in this bitch.
Hey, you know, they said come here with the clips empty.
Yeah, like what the fuck?
Hey, they told us come here with the clips.
With the clips empty.
Hey, bro.
I'm this bitch, bro. I ain't even gonna count.
We had to come to this bitch without a license, bro. Think about it. Niggas ain't going to find us. Hey, bro, nah, we ready to walk up in this bitch, see what the fuck going on, so... If the video stops right here, y'all know what the fuck happened. Alright.
I'm finna hawk this bitch.
I don't know if y'all can hear me, but we up in this joint now. We up in this joint. I'm ready to get right to that. I'm ready to put my target on.
Every John hit.
Every John hit.
Every John hit.
What's bro? I'm a shot. I'm a shooter. Hey, I'm a shooter for real. Shoot a nigga in his dick. Shooter for real, bro. I don't play that shit. That was my first time shooting, y'all. I'm a certified shooter for real. I'm a certified shooter for real, y'all. Two on. Yeah, he missed everything. He missed everything. This nigga I'm ready to shoot the Glock. I'm ready to shoot the Glock, y'all. Glockiana. Oh yeah, my nigga ready to get right. My nigga ready to see how. My nigga ready to shoot that Jay Wynn shit, nigga. But he ain't a shooter like Jay Wynn though. That's the scary thing about it. This nigga not a shooter for real, y'all. He be talking to shooting shit. He ain't not a shooter. I thought he was a certified shooter. Tell me what you doing, y'all. Hey, have y'all watched Gear vs. Die Trying? Remember the hater nigga that tried to kill 50 Cent, Majestic? Remember he had them neck braids? That's how that shit look. Majestic braids ass nigga, hating that nigga.
I'm gonna go you like 6 of them.
Go ahead, bro. That big ass shirt. Hey, you think it'd be hard, bro? I like this bitch.
What you gonna do? Fuck it, man. Bro, we got the.
Bro, I got murder on me, man.
Huh? Chill, bro.
This all I needed, bro. This all I needed, bro. I just need to get shoot my first shots, bro. I'm trigger. I'm trigger.
Y'all heard it first, bro.
I'm trigger happy, bro. This all I needed, bro. This like a drug, bro. This all I needed. You think they can hear me? You think they can hear me?
Nah, I don't know. They probably don't.
I don't give a fuck, nigga. I swear to God, I'm on that. I don't care. I'm on that, nigga. I'm on that, nigga. Nigga says a nigga back. I'm on that shit, bro. I'm on demon time, bro. I'm on bullshit. I'm on that. Niggas think they professional. Nah. I'm ready to shoot some more shots, y'all. This shit fun though. Oh, big stupid bitch. What the fuck do you think he is? This nigga can't be that big stupid bitch. If he tweaking and can't shoot the pistol, what makes him think he can shoot this big shit? This big gonna make his ass kick back, nigga. Your ass gonna kick back, get back. Bruh, you can't even shoot the pistol, bruh. You gonna think it's an earthquake up in this bitch. He gonna think it's an earthquake up in this bitch, cause this nigga gonna be shitting the bucket.
Yeah, you got the recorder on this one.
Hey, I'm gonna get you with that shit. That shit hard.
I was on the phone.
This how you gonna be. Look,
Hey,
this how you gonna be with that bitch.
Huh?
Let me see, give me. This how he gonna be with that shit, y'all. He gonna be like this. Oh, that bitch hard.
I took the drone out.
I know, that joint hard. Yeah, he gonna be like this. I ain't gonna play too much just cause they looking though. I ain't gonna do it too much. Hey, ain't this the this the M16? Huh?
This on a 9mm though.
That's M16?
I don't know.
What you asked for? You just said AR.
That's an AR, but I mean it's a 9mm. M16, that's probably
Yeah.
That's probably
This nigga try to get an advanced gun that don't know how to work it. This nigga don't know how to work it. Ask dude. This nigga asked for an AR, don't know how to fucking operate it. Yeah, pull out YouTube, nigga. Pull out Google. Pull out YouTube. Jay Wynn can't help you on this one. Go ask dude. Oh, you got it? You got it? You don't know what you're doing. This nigga don't know what he's doing. Scooby. Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo don't shoot guns. Scooby-Doo saw a mystery. Scooby. What's Shaq at? Scooby down there. Scooby. Scooby. Nah, Scooby down there. We done. Oh, hell. Oh, that's lucky. This nigga run out. Shoot that bitch. Alright, shoot that bitch. Shoot that bitch, Scoob. Hey, the monsters. Y'all gonna stop the monsters now. Oh shit, hold on. Alright, go ahead. Do your little pose again. Yeah. Alright, there you go. Look at these bitches. That nigga bigger than Kobe. Nah, that's alright, bro.
That's so hard.
This nigga trying to shake his head and shit. Nigga think he cool. Yeah. Talk that shit there, bro. Tell that nigga you busting that AR. Yeah. Oh shit. Slap. Got that ass nigga. Doing the tello. He got the tello, y'all. That nigga crazy. Alright, I'm gonna get back to my shit, y'all. Alright, you ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Ooh. Next time you have some shit to say against me, hey, just know I'm pulling that big stupid bitch fuck nigga. Yeah, bro, that shit. Yeah, it don't got no kickback, bro. It don't got no kickback to it. And we in this bitch, bro.
We in this bitch.
I ain't got it. Yeah. Hey. You hear me? I ain't gonna lie. Dude, shawty look good. Hey. I'm feeling like this, bro.
I ain't gonna lie.
Look, I'm feeling like this. What he gonna do to me? I gotta describe in this bitch. I gotta describe.
Crazy, he probably hear you the whole time.
Hey. I gotta describe over here.
He probably hear you the whole time.
Hey, guess what? Hey. I got the Glock 9 right here, I got the AR right here, and I got the clothes over here. You don't worry, bro. Hey, I'm telling you, bro. Think about the person I was over the years, bro. Now I'm doing this. It's over, bro. You know how when you like do your you do like, you know how it's like, you know how a nigga shoot their basketball and fall in love. You know how a nigga shoot their basketball and fall in love.
Kill their first person?
You know how niggas shoot their first basketball and fall in love. I shot my first gun and I fell in love, bro. I don't know, bro. I might start getting extracurricular things with them, bro.
I'm gonna slide with you, bro.
My nigga, huh?
I'm gonna slide with you.
My nigga ain't sliding for real. He ain't no shooter, bro. That nigga be shaking, yo. He be shaking. What you dropping? Alright, so we finished this shit. We shot our last bullets and shit. My nigga got some headshots in that bitch.
You know I did. You know I caught
My
that.
nigga got some headshots. Hey, fuck this. Hey, I ain't ready to pay for that. Fuck that tab. I'm ready to run off, bro. Fuck the tab. I ain't paying shit, nigga.
Hey, they probably listening right now.
Oh, yo, but look. Yeah, they look. Hey, look. Run off on that bitch.
I would. Well, no, this shit's sweet too, y'all.
Hey, look. Take the clip. Take the clip. Be like you lost the clip. Now you gotta extend up. Oh, you know what? You can't run off it. They got your extra jump. They got your extra clip. Nah, no, look. Clip for a clip. You take that. You take that jump. You take that jump. Let me take the jump, bro. That's a fair trade, bro.
I got the jump.
That's a fair trade. Nigga, fuck it, tab. Nah. Now you ready to get up out the jump? That's hot as a bitch up in here, bro. It's hot as a bitch. I'm sweating. I'll be back, y'all. We did that jump. We completed that jump.
So basically,
Damn, niggas is coughing and shit. Damn, it's like ready to storm out
we
this
basically learned everything. Well, we're gonna use everything we learned, and then we're gonna use it on the op.
Hey, you a op, you hit, bruh. We learned how to use the AI in that bitch, bruh. For real. Hey, and bruh, shawty ready to leave out this bitch. I looked at bruh. He look like a hoe for real. He look like a hoe too, bruh.
You know I got that.
Hey,
I got the extra mag on me, bro.
oh my god, cause my shit empty. Hey, Oh, my fault. And that nigga, hey. And that nigga wear glasses, bro. You know how I feel about niggas with glasses, bro. Niggas who wear glasses, pussy is a bitch. Niggas who wear glasses, pussy is a bitch. Like, bro, you got glasses, bro. You a grown-ass man that gotta wear glasses, bro. You need help to see and shit. Four-eyed ass nigga. Four eyes, he still ain't gonna see that shit coming. Four eyes, he still ain't. Oh, shit. Bro, I'm ready to smack it. I'm ready to smack his bitch on the ass. What he gonna do? I looked at bro, I thought he.
Nah, that's funny, 'cause I know we was talking loud in that.
Hey, no bullshit. He probably, oh, it is starting to rain. I know he heard us, but guess what though? I told you I don't give a fuck, bro. I've been working out, so I'm confident. I got that G2C on me, so I don't give a fuck. Fuck how a nigga feel. Fuck how a nigga feel. Ain't the Scooby Doo.
Oh God.
Fuck his bitch. Oh God, cause I got that bitch on me. Oh God. Oh my shit. Y'all heard that shit.
That's some.
Y'all heard that shit. That bitch still on a nigga, man.
And we got those switches.
Y'all heard that bitch.
And we got those switches on our shit. Now let me stop. I don't. He might. I don't.
Oh my God, bro.
I forgot his YouTube.
Nah, I swear to God, oh, everything won't got no more got that bitch, bro.
I ain't got that
my
shit.
shit clean. My shit clean.
No switching, man.
Nah, bro, that 5 out of 10, bro. Hell nah. Nah, niggas don't play like that.
That nigga look.
That nigga did the switch.
I got that.
Oh, got bae. Nah, ain't no bullshit though. Hey, be on some real shit though. But now my nigga got the attachments and shit. My nigga prestige, y'all. On some real. Now he trying to book up my gun, low key, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, grab my gun, nigga, cause I left it in the basket, cause I ain't want to carry it by hand for safety reasons. Nigga try to grab my shit and take it to the back, low key, bro. I'm like, what the fuck? The
This
fuck?
cat ain't ready to go inside the range, y'all.
Niggas ready to have a cat shooting the range, y'all. What the fuck?
See it all.
That's Garfield, bro. That nigga ready to bust that bitch, bro.
That's what it is.
He definitely got. Oh, there go bro with his girl. That nigga put. You see this nigga? That nigga pussy. Oh, and nigga, bruh. I smacked the fuck out of these niggas for real. These niggas ain't about shit, bro. I ain't ready.
They made her drive? Oh, they did.
Oh, they made her. Bro made her drive. You think bro made her drive? She is on that side though. She is on that side though. She ugly as a bitch.
I could have told you that.
Nah, she ugly.
In the face. I was looking at her.
Nah, I ain't never see her face. What the fuck? Oh, they ready to close or something? Nah, it's 6. The fuck she running to the car like that? She ready to get in the car with what, bro? She ready to get bro right. And he got her driving, bro. This nigga a hoe, bro.
I'm not gonna lie, I would have had her driving too, bro.
You'd had her driving too? Yeah, you right, though. You right. Yeah, you right, bro. Fuck that. We alpha males. We do what we want. Now, on some real shit, though, because both of us looked at each other at the same time, on some real shit, you thought that shit was outside, too. Mama, he's like, it's hot out there. Because he said out there.
Yeah. I thought he was talking. I really didn't know what he was talking about.
Bro, both of us looked at each other like, what the fuck? And I almost bust out laughing. Because, bro, when you say out there, you didn't say down there or in there. You said out there. So I'm thinking like, and bro, we already looking at the building like this shit's small. I'm thinking this bitch dead as outside. Bro, I thought we was ready to go back there or some shit. Like, bro, I was ready to get pissed, bro. I'm like, what the fuck Troy got us into, bro? I was ready to get pissed. Bruh. Now I was ready to get pissed as a bitch, though. Now, this shit was fun. Now, on some real shit, this is fun. We're gonna do this shit more often, though. This shit fun as a bitch, bro. I'm ready to start shit. I gotta get me out the gun, too, bro. I'm ready. Now, this shit fun. I'm ready to turn up in this bitch.
Yeah,
my
nigga
shooting that big stupid bitch, bro. This shit was fun as a bitch, bro.
I slang that bitch with one hand.
Yeah, no bullshit.
Rambos.
My nigga breaking the rules and shit. My nigga shooting that bitch with the phone and shit. I'm gonna show him though later. This done the screw for my crib. So I'm gonna come back to this bitch, slide back and show them this bitch. Hell yeah. Now you want to charge it, bro? You want to charge it? I swear, bro. Hey, niggas fucked up letting me shoot, bro. And I know how to shoot now. Nah, but this shit was fun though. But shit, yeah, this is the end of the video, bro. I don't know if I'm gonna post this on my main channel where I do reactions on, or I might create a whole new channel. I might create a whole new channel. You think I should create a whole new channel? Just put like RL shit on there?
Yeah, fuck.
Yeah, I don't know. Cause my channel monetized, so that's why I'm like. But I might just create a whole new channel though. My fingers, bro. That shit. Bro, look, y'all looking at a real trigger finger right here. This something special right here, y'all. This something special. I was shooting that bitch in the heart and shit.
All I
was
know
not
is
missing.
Space.
I was not missing, bro. Dude, bro, this how I knew I'm a real shooter. Bro, working that bitch was shooting my gun because my shit was jamming up. And that nigga was there that's breaking them bitches, bro. I was not missing none of them bitches. Them just straight green, nigga. I swear. My nigga was catching headshots, though. So my nigga is like that, though.
I was catching headshots at the end because I had to get right real quick.
See, I'm like more of a body. That's how it is with boxing. I like hitting the niggas in the ribs and their stomachs and shit and they abdomen and shit. That's how I was with the gun, bro. I like hitting niggas where it hurt for real. The ribs and shit, lungs, the organs, bro. It's over. It's over. But nah, shit. Nah, man. Scoob's out this young though.
Niggas turned up, man. Y'all goddamn like.
Comment, subscribe, share, everything, bro. It's gonna be more coming. Y'all gonna be seeing more coming, bro. Y'all gonna see my nigga more on this bitch too, bro. We ready to get crazy with this shit. But shit, hey, fuck with us though.